Hello, Shane Aarons, PigeonDepot.com. Here is the first of the kit of 3 young birds. This is 5093 Foyce 2016. Little youngsters showing good signs of strength already. You can see they'll be perfect age to ship by the time the auction is over. Almost fully feathered under the wing. About a week from now they'll be perfect to go. So that's the first of the 3 squeakers. Blue bar, most likely going to be a hen, can't be guaranteed. Probably going to end up being on the smaller side of medium. Next we have that one's nestmate. This is 5092 Foyce 2016. This is going to be a blue check, most likely a cock. A little bit bigger than the nestmate. Again, showing really good signs of strength at this age. Going to be a little bit deeper keeled, good medium-sized bird. And the third bird of the group is a little bit older. He's 5091. He'll still be a good age to ship after the auction is over. Easy to settle. Nice little blue bar white flight. This is probably going to be a cock as well. Feeling like it's going to be a little more towards the apple body shape, medium. And again, showing really good signs of strength. Got a lot of muscle already for such a young age. He's just about maybe 4 or 5 days older than the other 2. So this is the third of the young bird kit of 3. Thank you.